Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bookshelf using sweet box. It's super easy and affordable, so let's get started. First, gather all some appliances. You will need sweet box, scissor, glue and tape, some wrapping paper, contact paper to cover the box. Next, cut the flap of the box and cut it in half horizontally. Take one half and cut it into 3 equal sizes pieces. This will be the shelf. Now cover the entire box and shelf with your chosen wrapping paper and contact paper. Make sure to fold the edges neatly and glue them down. Once everything is covered, it's time to assemble the bookshelf. Take one of the shelf piece and glue it onto the inside of the box on one side. Repeat with the other side shelf on the other side of the box, making sure they are evenly spread. And there you have it, your very own DIY bookshelf made from a sweet box. It's perfect for storing all your favorite books and adding a touch of personality to your room. So guys, thanks for turning in to my video. I appreciate all the support and feedback you have given me for so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comment and what you want to see in my next video. I want to make sure that I am creating content that you find valuable and informative, whether it's a tutorial, a review or just a fun blog. I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy. Let me know what you are interested in, and if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on this any of my future videos. I am committed to bring you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching and supporting to my channel. Let's keep the conversation going and create some awesome content together.